Which electric food dehydrator is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Kasori Dehydrator with 6 trays. Let's kick things off with the Kasori Food Dehydrator. This model caught my eye because it offers a whopping 6.5 square feet of drying space with 6 stainless steel trays. Priced at $143.99, it's a bit on the higher side, but if you want to dehydrate a lot of food at once, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The larger drying space means you can prepare bigger batches of jerky, fruits, or even dog treats without needing to run multiple cycles. With a powerful 600W motor and rear-mounted drying fan, it guarantees faster and more even drying without burning out your food. Now, some people complained about the initial cost being a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about dehydrating food regularly, this investment pays off quickly in saved time and quality. It's perfect for those who enjoy meal prepping or making healthy snacks. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a serious dehydrator with ample space to work with. Skip this one if you're just looking to dehydrate small amounts occasionally. For the price, you're getting a robust machine that really delivers. Alright, if the size of the Kasori bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Kasori Compact Dehydrator. Next up, we have the Kasori Food Dehydrator machine for jerky. Priced at just $49.99, it's a great entry-level option without compromising on performance. If you want a reliable dehydrator that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This model features 5 BPA-free trays and offers maximum temperatures of 165 degrees F. It also runs quietly with noise levels under 47 dB, making it perfect for overnight drying while you sleep. Plus, it can run for up to 48 hours, so you can set it and forget it. However, some users mention that the trays can feel a bit flimsy compared to sturdier models. Here's the thing, though, if you're just making smaller batches of fruits or herbs, it's more than adequate and saves you a lot of space. This is perfect for you if you're just getting started with dehydrating and want something budget-friendly. Skip this one if you're planning to dehydrate larger quantities, as you might find it limiting. For the value, you're getting a solid machine that serves its purpose well. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility and ease of use. Product number 3, Kasori Compact 5-Tray Dehydrator. Now let's look at another Kasori model, this time featuring 5 stainless steel trays and a price tag of $119.99. If you want a compact option that doesn't skimp on features, this one is definitely worth considering. This dehydrator offers a maximum temperature of 176 degrees F, which is perfect for safely drying meats. It also includes 4 preset options for jerky, fruits, veggies, and yogurt, which makes it super user-friendly. The rear fan ensures even drying, so you won't have to worry about hot spots ruining your food. Now, some users complain that it's not dishwasher safe, which can be a hassle for cleaning. But honestly, if you're on top of cleaning it right after use, that's not a deal breaker. The stainless steel trays are actually easy to wipe down and maintain. This is perfect for you if you want a mid-range option that balances size and performance well. Skip this one if you prefer a larger capacity for bulk drying. For the price, it provides great value and functionality. Moving on, if you want something a bit more powerful and high capacity, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, Magic Mill Food Dehydrator. Let's switch gears to the Magic Mill Food Dehydrator, which is priced at $49.99. This model is unique because it's compact while still packing a punch in performance. If you want a budget-friendly dehydrator that still gets the job done, this is worth a look. It has 5 adjustable trays, allowing you to dry different foods simultaneously, and the adjustable height is a game changer for thicker items. However, some users found that it can take longer to dry compared to more powerful models. Here's the thing, though, if you're using it for smaller batches or you're not in a rush, it's definitely still effective and holds its own. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly dehydrator that's easy to use. Skip this one if you're drying larger quantities frequently, as it may not meet your needs. For the price, it's a solid starter choice. Now, if you're looking for something with more features and durability, the next option is definitely a top contender. Product number 5, Magic Mill Pro Dehydrator. Finally, we have the Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator, which comes in at $139.99. If you want a high-capacity, professional-grade dehydrator, this one is worth a serious look. This model has a powerful 600W rear fan that ensures even drying across all 7 full-size stainless steel trays, so you won't have to worry about uneven results. It can maintain precise temperatures between 95 degrees F to 176 degrees F, which is perfect for both delicate herbs and hearty meats. With a 48-hour timer, you can set it and forget it, and it even has a keep warm function that holds at 95 degrees F for 24 hours after the cycle ends. However, some users mentioned it's a bit bulky and takes up more counter space than they'd like. But honestly, if you're serious about dehydrating and making large batches, that space is worth it for the performance and features you get. This is perfect for you if you're an avid food preserver or someone looking to get serious about making their own snacks. Skip this one if you're simply looking for a small, occasional use option, as it may be overkill. For the investment, you're getting a high-end machine that can serve you for years to come. So to wrap things up, we have the Kasori Dehydrator with its spacious design, the compact Kasori model for budget-savvy users, the versatile second Kasori option, the efficient Magic Mill, and finally the robust Magic Mill Pro for serious dehydrators. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but it all comes down to your specific needs. Whether you're a casual snacker or a dedicated food preserver, there's a dehydrator here for you.